Hi, this is Swati, and in this video, we are now going to see how to find the area of a triangle when the coordinates are given. So let us take the three coordinates to be x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. The formula is here, half into. Now this is for the modulus. Modulus means the area of triangle can never be negative. So whenever we have a negative answer inside the modulus, it automatically becomes a positive. So half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 modulus closed. So it's very easy to remember. It goes in the order 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. So 1 and the other two should be the next numbers, the following numbers 2, 3. So when I take x2, so after 2 comes 3, so 3 and 1. When I take x3, after 3 comes again 1, so 1 and 2. So it's very easy to remember. Now, you have very important criteria that when the points are collinear, condition for collinearity is area of triangle is equal to 0. Why? Because when we have the points to be collinear means they lie on the same straight line. So in my previous video, I've already explained what is a collinearity. So when they lie on the same straight line, you can see that the triangle is not formed. So when the triangle is not formed, which automatically means that the area is 0. So then we can use this condition and you can quickly solve this question. So here I'm going to use the area of triangle concept. So let me take this as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So now using the formula, area is equal to half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3, which is p minus of minus 1 will give you p plus 1 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3, which is 5 into y1 minus y2. Okay? Modulus close. Now, since area of triangle is 0, so 0 is equal to half. When I transpose, it becomes 0. So here we have, open the brackets, minus 1 into p is minus p, minus 1 plus 1 is minus 1. Now, plus 2 into minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So, minus 4 into 2 is minus 8 plus 5 into 3 is 15 plus into minus 5 into p is 5p. So 0 is equal to minus 5p minus p is minus 6p. Now minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 15 is plus 6 is equal to 0. So I can simply open the bracket. Minus 6p plus 6 is equal to 0. So minus 6p is equal to minus 6. Minus minus cut, p is equal to 6 by 6, p is equal to 1. So it becomes very easy when you are given that the points are collinear. So you can directly use area of triangle is equal to 0 concept and use the formula. You get the answer. Hope it's clear. Thank you.